In this episode, I will answer both these questions and also give you a simple perspective on where and how to find the money to invest. Investment for adults is a common notion all of us may have. Yes, until now it is. But how about changing this? In school, we learn so many concepts and big ideas, big movements, big responsibilities about saving the planet, discrimination, laws of science, maths, economics, and so many more. So, why can't we learn simple basics of investment? What can be so difficult about learning basic terms, basic principles, following them, and practice them with real money? If we can learn economics and accounts, we can definitely learn about investments too. This is what we will start discussing and learning from this episode. Now, the most important question: where do I find the money to invest? Did you know, as middle class teenagers, our parents spend an average of 2 to 3.5 lakhs every year on us, the teens? In high income families, this amount could be as high between 5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. We are talking about spending in the range of $3,000 to $15,000 annually. This excludes the money spent on education. Now, this is quite a big sum of money. Also, as teenagers, we definitely receive money from various sources. Yes, we do. Every day, every time. All of us receive some pocket money from our parents. We also receive cash rewards or gifts during birthdays, festivals, occasions, and many other events. We insist on special food, chocolates, clothing, games, holidays, and many more. All of this is money, serious money. We may choose to either spend all of this or to save some of it. How to make 10 million? Cut down one activity to make 10 million. I will pick one such highly discriminating spend and demonstrate how can we make 10 million by saving from only one such activity each year. Most of us are used to hosting birthday parties. Let us assume you spend 10,000 rupees, which is $100 on your birthday. Instead, what if you decide not to host a birthday party and save this money? Can you imagine what the return this 10,000 rupees can give you over 50 years? 10 lakh rupees, which is 10 million. Yes, 1 crore of Indian rupees and 100,000 US dollars, 1,000 times return. That is the price of every birthday party we host. Not 10,000 rupees, but 1 crore rupees. Not $100, but $100,000 over 50 years. Now, one more scenario. What if you save this 10,000 rupees every year for the next 35 years? Can you imagine how much this will be worth? It is 100 million or rupees 10 crore. See the magic. What we just did is cut down on our birthday parties and invested that money to be a millionaire. Imagine the magic if all parents had done this in their teenage years. Today, they would be having close to 10 crores each. Again, the law of compounding we learned in the previous episode comes into play over here. So, small savings, small investments viewed over a longer time period can be crazy money. So, next time, don't say, I don't have any money. Remember, every dollar is saved and you earn $1. Every dollar is invested, and this has the potential to make you a millionaire. Savings, investments, and financial freedom are simple and easy to manage and plan. All it needs is some wisdom, some discipline, and a few sacrifices, and a lot of patience. Now, before we conclude this, let me share you some guidance on planning and calculating your returns. Everyone may have different needs, different time periods for investments. Some of you may even be able to save 20,000 rupees every year. So the best thing is There are multiple free investment and return calculators available online. I have used I have used the calculator from HDFC Life. You can choose the amount, choose your time period, choose your rate of return, and voila, you have a real millionaire plan right on your fingertips. The link to this site is on the scroll at the bottom of this panel. Click on this and dream your millionaire dream right away.